Ready to up your marketing game? Artificial intelligence can help you automate tasks, improve decision-making, and personalize customer experiences. In this video, we'll share 10 AI marketing tools that can boost your revenue. Tool 1. Chatbots. Chatbots are one of the most powerful AI marketing tools out there. They use artificial intelligence to converse with customers through messaging, providing automated customer service and personalized recommendations. They can help increase sales and reduce the workload on your customer service team. So, how can you use chatbots to make money? Well, chatbots can be used in a number of different ways. Here's one example. 1. Lead generation. Chatbots can be programmed to ask potential customers for their contact information, such as their email address or phone number, which can then be used to follow up with them and turn them into paying customers. Some popular chatbot tools include ChatFuel, TARS, and ManyChat, which offer a variety of features and integrations that can help you make the most of your chatbot marketing strategy. Tool 2. Predictive Analytics. Predictive Analytics is a powerful tool that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data and predict future customer behavior. This can help marketers make better decisions when it comes to targeting their audience and optimizing their marketing campaigns. So how can you use predictive analytics to make money? Well, let's say you have an e-commerce store and you're looking to increase sales. Predictive analytics can help you optimize your marketing campaigns. By analyzing data on customer behavior, you can identify which channels and campaigns are most effective in driving sales. You can then allocate your marketing budget accordingly, focusing on the channels that are most likely to bring in the highest return on investment. Some popular predictive analytics tools include Google Analytics, Optimizely, and IBM Watson. Tool 3. Personalization Engines. Personalization engines use AI to provide personalized content and recommendations to customers based on their interests and behaviors. This helps increase engagement and conversions, which can ultimately lead to increased revenue. Here is one way you can use personalization engines to make money. 1. Tailor your website to individual visitors. By using personalization engines to analyze visitor behavior, you can customize your website to show them the most relevant products, content, and offers. This can lead to increased engagement and conversions. Some popular personalization engine tools include Evergage, Monetate, and Qubit. By using these tools to provide personalized content and recommendations to customers, you can increase engagement and conversions, ultimately leading to increased revenue. Tool 4. Voice Assistants. Voice assistants, like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, are AI-powered tools that use natural language processing to respond to voice commands. These assistants have become increasingly popular in recent years and can be a great way to drive sales and improve customer experience. One way to use voice assistants for marketing is to provide personalized recommendations based on a customer's preferences and purchase history. For example, if a customer frequently orders vegan food through a food delivery app, the voice assistant could recommend new vegan options for them to try. This can help increase customer loyalty and engagement. Tool 5. Image Recognition. Image recognition is an exciting AI marketing tool that can help you make money in a variety of ways. At its core, image recognition uses machine learning algorithms to analyze images and identify objects within them. This technology can be used in e-commerce to allow customers to search for products using images or to provide personalized recommendations based on image analysis. Some popular image recognition tools include Clarify, Amazon Recognition, and Google Cloud Vision. Tool 6. Sentiment Analysis. Sentiment analysis is a powerful AI marketing tool that can help businesses understand how their customers feel about their brand, products, and services. By analyzing customer feedback on social media and other channels, sentiment analysis can provide insights into the overall sentiment of your customers, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. So, how can you use sentiment analysis to make money? Here's one way. 1. Improve customer satisfaction. By analyzing customer feedback, businesses can identify areas where they need to improve and make changes to improve customer satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Tool 7. Content Creation. AI-powered content creation tools, such as Wordsmith, Articulo, and Zyro AI Writer, can be a game changer for businesses, allowing them to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Here are some ways to use this technology to make money. Firstly, you can use AI-powered content creation tools to produce a large amount of content in a short period of time. This means businesses can focus on other areas of their operations, like product development or customer service, and still maintain a strong online presence. Tool 8. Lead generation. Lead generation is an essential part of any successful marketing strategy, and AI-powered lead generation tools can make the process even more efficient and effective. One popular lead generation tool is LeadFeeder. This tool integrates with your website analytics and identifies the companies that have visited your site. It also provides information on the pages they viewed, the time they spent on each page, and their location. Another popular lead generation tool is Albatross. This tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze website visitor data and identify potential leads. By using AI-powered lead generation tools, you can increase your sales efficiency, close more deals, and ultimately make more money. Tool 9. Customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is an incredibly valuable tool for marketers because it allows them to better understand their audience and create targeted campaigns that are more likely to resonate with them. For example, with customer segmentation, you can analyze data like purchase history, browsing behavior, and demographics to identify different groups of customers with unique characteristics and needs. Not only does this help increase the likelihood of making a sale, it also helps build stronger relationships with customers by showing them that you understand and value their preferences. And the best part? With AI-powered customer segmentation tools like Segment, Optimizely, and Evergage, you don't need to spend hours poring over data to identify these patterns and trends. The software does the heavy lifting for you, giving you more time to focus on creating and executing your targeted campaigns. Tool 10. A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful tool that can help businesses optimize their marketing efforts and improve conversion rates. Here's how it works. You create two versions of your website or marketing campaign, A and B, each with a different element that you want to test, such as the headline, the call to action, or the color scheme. Then, you use an A/B testing tool, such as Optimizely, VWO, and Google Optimize, to randomly show each version to a portion of your audience and track which one performs better. So, how can you use A/B testing to make money? Let's say you have an e-commerce store and you want to increase your sales. You might use A/B testing to test different versions of your product pages, such as different product images, product descriptions, or pricing. By measuring the conversion rates of each version, you can determine which one is most effective at driving sales and make adjustments accordingly. With these 10 AI marketing tools, you can take your marketing campaigns to the next level and generate revenue like never before. So what are you waiting for? Start using these tools today and see the results.